I'm out here today, still wood, most of it. There's still a lot of overspray in some of the tight places. Got a lot of it off the decals. And then, I mean, it's got some scratches and some dings and stuff. But, still wood most of the overspray off. You can see how bad it was. The seats are just covered. But, I'm using, some Johnson's paste wax on this bike. I wanted to seal it up, but leave all the imperfections, some light rust. But I just did this area right here. Right here. I want to try to use on the decals and see if I could bring back some shine or something to the decals. But I'm just going to use this paste wax to go back in and really get it good. And then that way I can see where the white overspray still is in a few spots and try to get that out. But just, it's really smooth. I think it'll look good just to have like that wax kind of sheen and protect it there. And then over time maybe it'll give it like an antique look. I just keep building it up and wiping it off and polishing it as I go, cleaning it and polishing it. Really trying to get in here and get all the little places, all the nooks and crannies. But I polished up the back with the steel wool. Fenders are turning out pretty good. I still have to do the wheels. Have a lot of rust, a lot of surface rust mainly. But I mean, it's doable. Had to get off the overspray on the pedals. But I'm changing the forks. So the tire went flat, but we'll fix that. Yeah, got some got the chrome parts for it. Ordered a down tube for it. Ordered a few more pieces that I was missing. Try to clean this up. I mean it's just huffy decals, but if I could clean it up, it'll look pretty decent. But yeah, I think it'll get there. I mean, it looks good. I like it. I'm gonna keep cleaning it. Alright. I just went over this sticker just a little bit. Just to clean it, just to get the white off, the dust off. So you can see all the little overspray. I'm gonna try to get all that off. All those little dots just around the decal. Put the wax over it. Not too bad. I still have to buff it just a little bit and keep adding and buffing, adding and buffing. You see there, just to wipe it. the Johnson's paste wax on the rim, the white wall, and just the edge of the tire. I mean, the rags got dirty, so it's taking some of the rust and stain off. Now there's the white wall's noticeably cleaner, but I didn't want it white either, so I think it's a good good middle ground, you know, not brand new white and not too black or dirty, so it still stands out but fits the bike. I was going to go back in with a white paint marker and fill in all the cracks or paint it, but I don't know, I'm digging it. The Johnson's wax, this gives everything like a smooth kind of coating. I mean, you could tell it's kind of like a wax paste on there, but I wiped it in hard and wiped it off. But I'm digging it. But it kind of seals everything up. Which that's kind of what I wanted, like just something to beat around. You didn't have to worry about being super shiny or super clean, or if it got a little rusted, or it's a rat rod bike, low rider rat rod bike. So put a little everywhere. I just wiped the rag everywhere and then wiped it off. Done the brass, done the rubber, some of the rubber valve stand. Just cleaned everything up. But yeah, not too bad. I mean, I just like the feel of it. I mean, it feels smooth. I mean, it don't feel dry, it don't feel nasty. It don't feel rusted and dirty. I'm digging it. It gives it a sheen. I mean, it could probably still polish or buff up with a soft cloth or something, power drill ball or something, you know. One of those tire balls or cotton rag or a Dremel or something. Yeah, hell, it ain't nothing on there super chrome shiny new, so the sheen's pretty nice. But yeah, just cleaning it up and sealing it. If I spent more time and really got close, could get all that off, but it might be just a process. But that's how bad that was rusted. But I got all the nasty rust off, most of it, except for right around there, right around the spokes. Might be some of that's oil and grime, but Rome wouldn't do it in a day, so it's a process of building it up and cleaning it. So yeah, that's the 20-inch wheel. It's pretty nice, I think, for what it is. Off a $10 bike.